Okay, parents, if you are looking for a great way for your kids to learn and play at the same time, then we have to look at this together. The new HEROMASK sets. These are awesome play sets that actually encourage kids to use technology to learn like languages and math. So far they have two options to purchase on Amazon right now. There's languages and there's a math set. I'm going to show you both of them. I just wanted to unbox it for you so you can see what's in the box. It's for ages 5 and up. It's an educational video game where they encourage learn by playing. Now we're going to be giving this actually away, not this one, but the company was kind enough to offer to send it to anybody that's listed in any of the countries in the description below. So if you're watching this and you want to enter to win, all those details will be in my description below, and you can just enter through the link just to make it easier, because I want multiple people to be able to enter. This is a really, really awesome gift also for the holidays. If you're looking for something for your grandchild, your son, your daughter, even your godson, your nephew, your cousin, your neighbor, anybody. So the gift of education is priceless, but when kids are encouraged to play too, that's like a win-win. So we have this beautiful virtual reality headset outside of the box. Now it's really comfortable. I've already put it on. Now what you have to do is you have to use your cell phone. To start up, you go to games.edinvented.com. Then you go to either Google Play or the App Store and download the app, either languages or math, and then you log in using your email address that's hooked up to your account. I'm talking about like your Google Play account or your App Store account, and then enter in the code that comes in the box. And then you insert your phone. Now make sure you take the case off, insert your phone and put it inside, and then you can start playing. I played both sets. I really, really like the math. However, I think the language version is a really, really great tool. It teaches colors, it teaches vegetables. It's very, very interactive, and it's really easy to use. You just press the button whenever you see the item that they're asking you to identify, and it will tell you if you're right or you're wrong. I think the languages set is really, really great. Both of the options I think could use improvement with as far as the sound. It's very, very hard to understand because the robotic voice changes. However, I think it's great for like a little bit older kids to really get into it. 5-year-old, 6-year-old will play with it, but I don't think they really get the concept that this is a real VR set. Now I'm going to change the way you're going to be viewing this right now so you can see what I see, and the screen recording is going to show 2 images, so I'm just going to cut it down to 1 so you get an idea. But when you're looking at the actual phone without the virtual reality set, it's going to show 2 images. Once you put your phone inside this specialized VR headset, it's going to show 1 cohesive image, and I just don't know how to film it, so I apologize. Virtual reality headset itself is really stylish. I really like this like linen look over here, and this part's really super comfortable. So I just wanted to thank HEROMASK for sending this to us. I can't wait for others to experience this, and if you have any experiences with HEROMASK, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it.
Two plus 7. 9 plus 10. 9 plus 6. 0 multiplied 7. 0 9 multiplied 3. 9
Noir. 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 Blanc. Marron. Marron. Noir. Rouge. Rouge. Noir. Marron. Marron.
blanc, 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 pomodoro, pomodoro, lattuga, pomodoro, pomodoro, cipolla, 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 pomodoro, pomodoro, pepe, cipolla, 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 cetriolo, 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 cipolla,
棕色，棕色，棕色，橙色，橙色，橙色，橙色，灰色，棕色，
verde, violeta, violeta, verde, verde, violeta, rojo, violeta, 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 verde, rojo, violeta, 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 rojo.
China, China,